Hey guys, it's Darcy Lacouvé here. We're taking a brand new look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Now this is a device I've been really excited about. I got a first look at it at IFA there in Berlin not too long ago. It's got Jelly Bean out of the box, a massive 5.8-inch display, but none of that really matters. Let's just take a nice quick first look. Obviously a very substantial device, but for those that love web browsing and media consumption, it is going to be the device that they're going to want to get. So let's just power up the device and see how it looks. A very striking display of 1280 by 720 resolution. It contains Samsung's next generation AMOLED technology, so it is going to have extremely bright whites. And with Jelly Bean, we're going to enjoy iPhone-like 60 frames a second smooth operation. So what else do we have in the box here? Let's take a look. Now we did acquire this particular unit. It is the international version. We did get it in Hong Kong, so it is going to contain some stuff that is native to the Hong Kong market. Obviously the GT N7100. So we have a quick start guide, blah, blah, blah. Chinese. We have our warranty card. Obviously a few Samsung specific stuff. Promoting other products. And what else? So containing here we have the headphones. In my experience, actually, Samsung has provided quite good headphones. So we have volume control up and down, and we also have the ability through a variety of click combinations to change the music. I like changing it when I'm driving on my motorcycle, you know what I'm talking about? Anyway, so these are a sort of gel-encased earbud, so likely to have excellent bass response. We'll let you know how they are after we test them out. But looking good, nice clean white. Now we have a USB charger, obviously native to the sort of UK standard that Hong Kong is known for. Have a USB cable in here. It's interesting that they use QR codes. Obviously that's for supply chain management. And then we have the UK specific power adapter. But Samsung seems to have designed this so that it will be compatible with a variety of different power styles. So you can probably get that on their accessory store. Other than that, we just have a few more earbuds for those that have large ears or smaller ears. But of course, this is the focus. This is the Marble White edition. Very, very nice and clean, very showy, very flashy. But this is actually going to be my device from now on. It's my favorite device. I think that it's probably the best device on the market right now. Jelly Bean out of the box, nice large screen, high resolution screen, extremely fast, extremely responsive. So this is just an unboxing of the Galaxy Note 2 Marble White Edition. My name is Darcy Lacouvé, and we are here from Android Authority. Let us know what you think of our videos, guys. Thanks for checking us out.